Alignment and Orientation of Data in MS Excel 2013. Alignment refers to the position where data is placed within the boundary of a cell. So these are the options of making the text align. This is for top align, middle align, bottom align, left align, center align and right align. So students, here we are going to make this sheet and apply all the alignment option over here. Let's start to make this sheet. So first of all, for the heading, I am going to combine these three cells. So merge and center is the option that will combine or join all these three cells for making the heading. My heading is competition result. From here you can increase its text size. There is a need to adjust the column width as I have adjusted over here. So the next step is to join these two cells by the option merge and center to make it one cell. Over here I wanna write debate. Next category is quiz. Again merge and center. I'm going to write quiz. My third category is PowerPoint presentation. As you can see that the whole text is not fitted in one cell, so wrap text is the option to fit the cell multiple line. By this option we can make the long text fit in one cell. So now I am going to write the name of the students. Now the next column is for the positions. As you can see that I have completed my sheet. Now there is a time to format it. First of all, I am going to select the whole sheet. Now apply the borders. In the home tab there is option to apply borders to the whole sheet, all borders. And I also want to increase the text size. For this I have to select the sheet and then increase its size. Now I want to make these headings in the middle of the cells. For this, click on middle align. As you can see that the text has been set into the middle of a cell. Now I want to apply the background color in a cell. Select the cell and fill any color into the cell. Select this whole row and select any color. Now I'm going to select another color for my second row, similar like for the third row. If you want to change the font color, select the cell and select any font color you want. Make the text bold. Now here you can see that the competition result sheet has been prepared and we have applied the alignment option over here. This is for the top alignment, middle align, bottom align, left align, center align and right align.